man. Me know it wrong, but he never plan. Normally me a wife, me no whole side.
What kind of ugly piece of man this? No, him not gonna pass, so bring your ass back here. That man ugly, eh? You want ugly, so sir?
But he never plan. Normally.
Why you want ugly, so sir? I wish my abs them there. What kind? Oh, if you're doing shit, you know abs. Oh, you want ugly, so? No, man.
Look at the top
What
of his
happened to your head? Are those breasts? No, man, you're ugly, man. You're ugly, but Shenseea, I could call for the music video. But do my ear real nice. Get a little line up. The little cherry lips, them. No, man, what? You're ugly, sir. You're ugly. I watch it name, people. Shenseea, the Sidechick song, official music video reaction from your boy Tyrekevlogs. Yo, your boy kind of little dress up. I just never feel to take off my clothes. You see me? I said just like come off of the road, meet some fellow yardie. Yo, meet some yardie people from. Yo, John Star, I really feel, really enjoy myself. But guess what? We are playing some American game, we are playing pool. But we're not talking about that. Shenseea, Sidechick, official music video, reaction. You hear me I say? Yeah, people. So I don't know, so smash the like button, people. If you did see the name of us, if you don't see the name, thank you for commenting on my videos, comment on this video for the name in the next video. I go straight to the video right now. Like, look at them pretty mansion here. No, sir. Go through, because see what I go on. And the video now play. Run through. Shenseea, the Sidechick song. Look at pre on the video, people. When she have on clothes, that's what they do. She come out and shower on the people. She come out on my reaction right on this. What you recommending on the Shenseea video? I mean this. Anyways, I'm not pray that right now. Wake up yourself, thanks for commenting on my video, Raheem. Oh, see it there? I was here. One person I'm going to hang out with last night. Well, tonight. Anyways, Shenseea, got you. Oh, she have on towel. Ha! Wow. Like, just take a moment to appreciate Shenseea beauty, people. Just look on Shenseea. Look on her. Look on her, look on her good. Wait out the magic. Don't look on Shenseea yet? Belt. Alright, guess what I go on. I'm ready for you video now. Ready now. Shenseea, go through baby girl. So when you going to man wallet for?
Ashley, conference the call.
With who?
Chastity.
Hey.
Well, them three pretty burning girl and now go past me, so Shenseea, go back a little bit more, man. I want to see them good. Ashley. Like a little bad teacher. You know them teacher that wear the glass them with the little rule of it. Anyways, go through. Now I'm not doing that today. Shenseea beat all on the by far. She still pretty that on hush. But we are go through the video the same way.
Hey.
Long time off for studies.
This not sound safe. Want me know?
Let me tell you now a little story. Me have a man, why have a woman when don't know about me. Boy, me know a she, but
Let me tell you a little story. Me have a man with a woman when don't know. Why me not no man? Error, wrong bang. She have a man with a woman when don't know about her. That's the best thing that for the man, me know about you. But you see the song named Sidechick song, so more know how it gonna be the best thing for she right now. So I'll go on.
she don't know me. The body make me happy, do me no own it. This is the original Sidechick song. Be open on my feelings.
No. How it gonna make you happy and you not own it? You know what she have, you know what next, you know what the man woman have, suppose she have something where you gonna catch it. How if you make you happy and you not own it? Real side chick for real. When I side chick, them I shot the people, them husband still, you know. I mean, I Shenseea have not the people. We go through the song, yeah, man. Why that easy, I go on so strong, man. Go through.
Next girl, man. Me know it wrong, but it never plan. Normally, me a wife, me no whole side.
And what kind of ugly piece of man
position.
this? No, him not gonna pass, so bring your ass back here. That man, you ugly, eh? You want ugly, so sir?
But it never plan. Normally,
Wait till you see the.
Why you want ugly saucer?
No.
I wish my abs them there. What kind? Oh, if you do, you should see another abs. Oh, you want ugly so? No, man. What happened to your head?
Off of his head.
Are those breasts? No, man, you're ugly, man. You're ugly. Shenseea, I could call him for the music video. But do my ear real nice. Get a little line up. The little cherry lips, them. No, man, what? You're ugly, sir. You're ugly. Go through the video, people.
me a wife, me no whole side bitch position. This is not my style and I saw me tan. Me open up my feelings for your next girl, man. Me know it wrong, but it
No, man, yeah, man, that man is ugly. Him ugly. I'm not stop saying it. For the whole video, I'm going to say that man there ugly. Backside. Man, where she get that man there from? Every time I see me, I take a sip. So you better not show him again now. I get drunk off of this. Go watch some more video, yeah. I get drunk off of this. But a big man net, I get drunk off of that sitting there. I'm gonna start to put some rum in it.
never plan. Normally, me a wife. Me no like bone, and if you like me, no forgive. Some a feel a little better if I'm.
Me no like bun, and if you like me no forgive. But the man I give him woman bun with you. And you will like him. Why you like that even him? You like, well, you can't like him because him ugly. You say you're in love with him body. But me don't understand that. How that work?
Me him cheat with. When you are the wife, you don't know who else him afraid. Oh, when you're on the side of you, we matter everything. Him rate me highly, spoil me, treat me like a wifey.
True. Like, you see, if you are the wife, that's something about side chick them, you know, it's an entire job, you know, side chicks, you know, having a whole job, you know, having a yo. You see me, I say, one now the side chick, the man coming to, no, and after him done sort out your property, you do me and say, do out your property, him start tell him business, what going to work today, how him wife now do what you want to do, and his wife now suck on the bubble gum, and them something there. You see me, I say, that's all the man them do, no? They want a side chick to tell everything. Yes, I miss it now in the dog. Me see why them man there give on so. Got you.
Respect non text when him beside me. The only thing I say we lucky and we private. And if me see them pan the gram me.
But she a side chick, brother. So what make him now text beside her? Yo? No, that wrong. Me know how man what give money now. Me know how them do it. Because I look on this stuff for instance now. My woman. She always call me and always text me now. If me no reply to my woman, she text something I go on. So if me there on her, I don't care who me there on, me I go answer her. Cause I don't think so me I cheat on her. So if you want a side chick and your wife a call, you take yourself out of the room and make the man answer him phone though. Me chat too much. Go show the video, yeah.
Plus him know me not go confront no girl. Not the type to search and contact no girl.
Yeah.
To see them together me in my feelings.
So why cameraman, like why you have to do that a while ago? Like if she see me watch the video, why cameraman you get on my nerves now. Brother, why you have to do that a while ago? Why you have to pan to the girl when she take off the backside towel? Make the towel drop, I will see everything go on now. You know, hurt my feelings sometime, you know. Why you have to do that? That's all look. That's why I enjoy myself and look at Shenseea property. And the man cut off the camera and mess it toenail and bush pan ground and picture. Or a fake couple. Someone that black like tar beside Shenseea. Call him something here.
This is the original side chick song. Be open up my feelings for your next
Someone here.
man.
You like a retired police officer. Hurt me feel, man. And there's a cameraman upon my nerves now, man. Because you have pan off all the beautiful scenes of Shenseea property. It's a retired police officer, man. Yeah. No, man.
wrong, but he never plan. Normally me a wife, me no whole side bitch position. This
Side bitch position. Nah, like, man, I'm talk about your case now. Why your eyebrow no fi so fat, baby girl? And why you have to have the same phone as me, like? Like a complexion. When I like the falls here, something do. I like that chain there. But every girl have it. Every girl who have one girl have one chain just like that, so. You know what them say about girls with white nails, right? She alright. She have them lips there. She have them lips there. Me done got you the video. Me done time. Half our case.
my style and I saw me tan. Me open up my feelings for your next
Tell
girl,
her, boy,
man. Man know it wrong, but he never plan.
What go on? Not even that, man. You don't want to see it. Not even that, man. You don't want to see it all, boy. Why the camera man move some man?
My style and I saw me tan. Me open up my
Cameraman, yeah, see. Hey, me I go box the cameraman with that. Me I box the cameraman in the face, you know. Cameraman, behave your little self, you know, you would. Alright.
feelings for your next girl.
Youth. Alright.
Man, man know it wrong, but he never plan. Normally me a wife. A man is always gonna cheat, like me.
Shenseea do it. You know what me done? People know watch a full video on Shenseea channel, you know. You see me I say? I'm gonna leave you no one thing. If you don't want more reactions, then subscribe to the channel. I joke me, I make forward.
Benefit him. Give me anything I want, so me nah go stress him. Prefer know who him a fuck than be the victim.
Why me?
Find out from a street.
Why would I end the video when all of this nice are going right there? So a joke. Let me take a sip. No, sir. Why would I? I'm not that crazy. Ready?
Stranger me, I go left him. And unlike me, no know my words.
Retired police officer looking
I
at
can't
us.
get hurt. We ever a flirt. It make me happy.
Oh man. See if something else nice, no more nice is going in there. What on there? What? So why you have to take, little girl, you have an iPhone. When if you have to, and like the Android is on, we turn on the phone, so if you take a little picture for the flash, take a face. No, Shenseea, no. Anyways.
Happy birthday. If me see them together, me in my feelings.
Oh, I'm woman that say woman black. Oh, but I don't want to see that. I want to see Shenseea body. Unless she left him?
I me know him love she. But me I go with the flow, not disturb the peace, make it flow naturally.
If you're happy, yeah, man.
Yeah, cause I want your wife is still a get bun. My prefer know about it. These niggas ain't shit.
But anyways, one thing I Shenseea music video, people. You do me I say, leave a like on my video, subscribe to the channel if you know the watch with 10,000 subscribers. I don't know things that, you know, it's been a boy tie. Hey, last time I make 2 videos, 12 o'clock in the night, now I make a video again, 12 o'clock in the night. No man, I touch her. Anyways, big up on yourself. I said trouble there when I tell about the camera after the video done, you know. But people more inform on this. We are got LA next month. Why that pink head right there, sir? We are got LA next month, you know. You do me I say? So the LA vlogs them make a vlog. Make a vlog the entire. I start vlogging early next week because no 9 to 5 now go next week. You see me I say. So the LA vlogs them people now go normal. So subscribe to the channel for the vlogs them. LA vlogs them. We still go upload every day, you know. So you see if I vlog no job, we have a reaction in advance. You don't know Tyrekevlogs things set already, you know. We're consistent with the thing. Yeah.